friends, welcome back to Sahasra's World. How are you all? I'm fine. So today also we will discuss about an interesting topic, that is UNO, United Nations Organization. Okay friends, just think what will happen if countries disagree among themselves and if these disagreements are not solved in a peaceful manner. Then it may lead to dangerous situations like wars. Then we need the help of some global peacekeepers like UNO. Now let us see the history of UNO. World War I has started in 1914 and ended after 4 years. In 1990, the organization named League of Nations has started to prevent such wars, but it could not stop World War II. World War II has started in 1939 and ended in 1945. In World War II, US dropped atom bombs on Hiroshima and Nagasaki in Japan. Millions of people died. After World War II, every country realized war is not solution for any problem. Then, representatives of 51 countries combined together to replace the League of Nations with UN. It was established on 24th October 1945. It was headquartered at New York, America. At present, 193 countries has its membership. Okay friends, now let us talk about the aims and the main outcomes. Aims of UN are to promote friendliness between countries, to maintain peace and security between countries, and to solve any kind of international problem between countries. Apart from these 5 organs, there is a trusteeship council in UN. This council meets when required. To fulfill these aims, UN has formed 5 main organs. They are General Assembly, Security Council, the Secretariat, the International Court of Justice, the Economic and Social Council. Now, let us see in detail about these main organs. The first one is the General Assembly, right? The General Assembly comprises all 193 members. Each country has its own vote. This meet comes every year and members vote to take decisions, and this wing only passes the budget. It is just like World Parliament. Second one is Security Council. It has the responsibility to maintain peace between countries. It has 5 permanent and 10 non-permanent members. The 5 permanent members are US, UK, Russia, France and China. All these 5 permanent members has veto right, which means if a member vote against the decision being discussed, it can't be passed. And these 10 non-permanent members are elected by General Assembly for a period of 2 years. Third one, the Secretariat. It is one of the most important organ of UN. It ensures the policies and programs made by UN are followed. It is headed by the Secretary General. Present Secretary General is Mr. Antonio Guterres. Fourth one, the International Court of Justice. It is situated in Hague, Netherlands. Countries can take legal disputes to this court. Then it gives a judgment. It comprises 15 judges who are elected by General Assembly and Security Council for a period of 9 years. Fifth one is Economic and Social Council. It brings countries all together to carry out the economic, social and environmental activities. It comprises 54 members who are elected by General Assembly for a period of 3 years. Now let us discuss about the relationship of India and UN. It joined UN in 30th October 1945. It is one of the founder of UN. Vijay Lakshmi Pandit ji was the first woman president of General Assembly in UN. Dr. Nagendra Singh served as the president of the International Court of Justice of the UN. Hardeep Singh Puri acted as the chairperson of Security Council Counter-Terrorism Committee. These three people, Vijay Lakshmi Pandit ji, Dr. Nagendra Singh, Hardeep Singh Puri, belongs to India. Okay friends, this is briefly about UNO. Friends, if you like it, please subscribe and stay tuned for more videos. If you like it, please give it a like.